Hello guys, welcome to another video on another day, another two cars as you see on this screen. Okay, we will not waste much time. Okay, these are from the same brand, or maybe you can say same brands to sub brands. Okay, this one is, can you recognize guys, this car is known as the Shelby Cobra, 1965 Shelby Cobra. It's a very iconic model. It's there in racing games, in some cult movies as well. Has been there in motorsports, classic motorsports. So this one is a Shelby Cobra 1965 version. Okay, you can see the iconic Shelby stripes on this. Here पीछे के साइड में भी है. Okay, I have lost the windscreen of here, but it was there anyway. And आप देख सकते हो wheels भी कितने बड़े हैं इसके. It's very nice car, and it was iconic or ahead of time at that age. In that age, you can say it was iconic model at that age. Okay, this one is proper classic. It's a roadster. You can see it's a roadster. Now coming back to the next one, this one, can you recognize guys, this one is, yes, from the Ford only. Okay, this one is the Mustang, 1965 Ford Mustang. It's a classic legend car. In many movies, many games it is there. It's a legendary car, a cult vehicle. Okay, and it looks are very iconic. Okay, now there has been a wear and tear at my end on the car, that's why you see some color here and there, but this has been an iconic car. Okay, दोनों गाड़ियों का मेरे पास this is the 1:36 scale, and you can see over here doors are opening. Both the vehicles are pull back. This one, both of them are pull back. Both the vehicles are pull back, as you see. This one. And there are some lights also inside, but they are not working now because I have not put the battery. Otherwise there is always a place for putting the batteries, and you can have the lights, as you can see over here. You can have the lights in this. I bought this from AliExpress. This model was not available anywhere on Indian site, so I bought this from AliExpress. You can get it from AliExpress, but now I don't know what time it takes to ship it. And so it is showing also here made in China, because I've got it from AliExpress anyways. And you can see the difference in the alloy design also. This is a matte black and this one is a chrome silver, so that is also difference. Both these sides you can see. Okay, it's almost black and this is a silver. ये difference है. So it was an iconic model at that time, but since I bought it from AliExpress, there is no branding on this, but we know the car, so not needed. So I added this to my collection guys, and it's still going strong. Both iconic cars from Ford. Ford has been there in rallying and motorsports, in Formula 1, and these cars show that the performance of Ford. Even now currently there is a Puma running. There are two Pumas running in WRC, Ford Performance. So if you watch WRC, you will come to know it is an iconic brand, and these two models are iconic. This itself, Shelby is itself a different brand and very iconic one. And then this is from Ford itself. So different brandings, different cult cars from Fords. So that's it guys. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Do buy these cars if you get somewhere. Very good to collect. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel. We'll be back with some more videos. Thanks. Bye bye.